DJI has done it again. A brand new drone is on the horizon, and it's called the DJI Flip. With its lightweight design, advanced features, and innovative folding mechanism, this drone might just change how we think about portable flying devices. Stick around to learn all the exciting details. First, let's talk about weight. The DJI Flip weighs less than 250 grams. Why does that matter? In many regions, drones under this weight don't require registration, making it perfect for beginners and frequent travelers. Plus, its lightweight design means it's easy to carry wherever you go. Now, onto the camera. The Flip is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second. And yes, it supports HDR. That means more vibrant colors, better detail in shadows and highlights, and overall stunning footage. If you're a content creator, this drone is your new best friend. But a great camera isn't enough. The DJI Flip takes it further with advanced AI tracking. Whether you're filming an athlete in motion or capturing wildlife, the AI keeps your subject in focus. Add to that its LiDAR sensors, which help the drone avoid obstacles like trees or buildings. This means safer flights and smoother footage, even in complex environments. Here's where things get really interesting: the Flip's folding mechanism. Unlike most drones with side-folding arms, the Flip's propellers fold downward. This design isn't just unique, it's practical. It keeps the drone compact, making it easy to store in a backpack or even a large pocket. Talk about convenience. Battery life is another win for the DJI Flip. It comes with a 3,110 mAh battery, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough to capture breathtaking footage without constantly worrying about recharging. Now, let's talk numbers. A Swiss retailer has listed the DJI Flip's Fly More combo at around $895. And the best part? It's expected to launch as early as January 2025. If you've been waiting to upgrade your drone game, this could be the one. So, what makes the DJI Flip special? It's lightweight, portable, packed with cutting-edge features, and designed with both beginners and experts in mind. Are you excited about this new drone? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.